everybody, welcome to Grade to Code, and this is the episode where we are talking about the data structure and algorithm. This is the part 2. If you are trying to understand data structure and algorithm, we already have a playlist about the data structure and algorithm part 1, so you can go through there and explore more opportunities and learn everything the basic, where we have a talk about what is the linked list, what is the variables, what is the arrays, and many much more things about that. So you can go through there and then explore. In this here we are talking about the types of the binary tree based on the numbers of the children. So following are the types of the binary tree: based on full binary tree and degenerate binary tree, skewed binary tree. So full binary tree, the binary tree is a full binary tree if every node has a 0 or the 2 children. The example of the full binary tree, like we can also say full binary tree is a binary tree in which all node except leaf node have 2 children. A full binary tree is special type of the binary tree in which every parent node, internal node, has either 2 or no children. It also known as a proper binary tree. Now you want to show the example and image, so you can look here. The full binary tree have like this type of the structure, and in the program, if you want to implement the full binary tree for the C programming language, like a Java, Python, C hash, and JavaScript, we have all of them. You can use the hashtag include iStream. This is the comment, but you don't. The real programming start from the class node and semicolon public, then integer value, node hashtag, and left node, then right node values, and then you have your class full binary tree, then public and node root. So this is the simple example how you can write the programming in the C language for the implementing the full binary tree. For the Java, you can see here, for the Java also you can write like this, and this should be easy for you to understand. Class node and then public, these are the variables, integers like value, and then semicolon public node. Now in the Python, you can also look at their definition: integer value, self dot value equal to variable, and self dot left equal to none, self dot right equal to none. So these are the variable binary tree class represent, and this is also the full binary tree where we are talking about this, and it's totally have the definition and self root for this. And in the C hash language, you can see this, and this is what we teaching and to you about the full binary tree. In the job interview where we go for the software engineering or like a programming, mostly the interviewer ask this type of the question for the data structure, because they trying to know that this guy, the candidates can solve the question related to data structure and algorithm, which is the most complex things for us to understand. And JavaScript, you can look like this type of thing. If we are just talking about the degenerate and tree, so a tree where every internal node has one child, such tree are performance wise same as a linked list. In the linked list, we were just talking about that one pair is connected to the another pair, so each and every pairs are connected to each other. And in the tree, we basically doesn't talk about anything related that linked list, or in the linked list was basically what that was in the linear structure, and they was connected to each other in the linear forms. In the trees, we have in the hierarchy model where they are not connected in the linear form, they are connected in the horizontal form, otherwise you can say in the form of tree. So a tree where every internal node has a one child, such tree are the performance wise same as linked list. A detergent and a pathological tree is a tree having the single child either left and right. So in the degenerate tree, we have a single child, either you have a left, otherwise right. So it's a depend on that detergent, and you can write the programming for the implement the degenerate the tree. And in the C language also, Python language also, you can write. For more, you can check out this, and you can see the here to understanding the better. Third one is skewed binary tree. A skewed binary tree is a pathological degenerate tree in which a tree is either dominated by the left node or the right node. Thus, there are the two type of the skewed binary tree, and the skewed binary tree are the right skewed binary tree. Now, left skewed binary tree, we have you can say that when we was talking about the left and right, that same like structure, you have left binary tree and right binary tree. For more, you can see this how we have talk about this in the